Yeah, what's up? Got my new Cannabox in. They got new packaging and shit. Gonna check this out. Let's see what we got up in here. Bumping that Diamond D new shit in the back. You know what I mean? For the old school heads. There we go. Cannabox. Got the new box. Yeah, they do this thing too. You can win like 3 free months. They choose your photo. Tells you what's in here. We got a bullet vaporizer. Apocalypse shades. What else we got? A Munchies magnet. Alright. And an energy drink in here. Let's see. I ain't really big on energy drinks, but it's all good. So here's their energy drink. I guess it's for the zombie theme. Guess they figure when you're a little too blasted, you get a zombie blast. Alright. Looks like a shotgun shell. That's ill. I don't really get with the energy drinks, but it's always, I ain't gonna smoke it, but alright, it's alright, whatever. Got these sheets. Oh, they look kind of thin. Zombie sheets. Survival rules and all that for the zombie apocalypse. Alright. Clem Perkins. Oh shit. What else we got in here? An ashtray. The Zombie Outbreak Response Team ashtray. Division 420. Of course, like mostly everything else, you can't really see that, but made in China, that sticker says. But it's all good, because, you know, when you smoke, you need an ashtray, right? Alright, this is the magnet. That's cool. I don't know. Things like this and stickers. I don't know. When you're paying for something like that and it's, I don't know. You feel me? I hope you feel me, because like what I'm trying to just say is like I ain't paying for a magnet. I want to go to a head shop for a magnet or anything like that, or just to get some stickers. Stickers is cool, don't get me wrong, but I want to go for a head shop for an energy drink neither, but some people might. So like I said, these boxes ain't just for me. I ain't grind the card. Apocalypse grind the card. That's pretty cool. That ain't bad. I'm feeling that. Look right there, little gunshot to the dome piece. Alright, that ain't bad. Some cyclones. Urban assault cyclones. Alright. See what's up with these. And a vapey. The bullet. I gotta see what this is about. If anybody knows me, this is what I like to fuck with the most. And these go for about like 20-25 bucks. And the box was about, well, it's like 20 bucks around. With shipping and handling, 25. So this kind of pretty much covers the box. So that's cool. As long as it's a good product, it's cool. Which I'll let you know about that. The Zombie Blast drink once again. I'll see what that's about. The Cyclones. Probably I'm gonna call my man up right now. I'm probably gonna try these out. I like the fact that these come in like hard case. That's good. The sheets, you know, every month they gotta give a pack of sheets, which should be in there, you know what I mean? So I ain't complaining about that. And I went with the theme, the zombie sheets. I was kind of expecting that. Grind the card. Like I said, this is pretty cool. It's always good to have something like this on deck. And I got Munchie's magnet. I ain't gonna hate. You know what I'm saying? They didn't give a bunch of stickers. They gave a magnet, and the magnet is pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? And there you go. Cannabox in the new Cannabox. You know what I mean? And they covered up in the front where it says like, oh, you know, with the little logo. Maybe they should have just stayed with the other boxes, because this is probably going to cost money. You could have saved money. Maybe gave people a little something else. Depends what you're paying for the box, but you know how business goes. Everybody wants to have a pretty package, and people like to have a pretty package, and it sells, so it's whatever. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna review these products. Good look, Cannabox. And yeah, Dino Brown. You know it's good. Peace. Keep it real to the real hip hop, not that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Alright.